At CMV Interior Designs, we believe interior design is about more than just beautiful spaces. It's about understanding your needs and creating environments that enrich your lifestyle through thoughtful design. A contemporary Scandinavian interior embraces simplicity, functionality, and comfort. We start with a strategic space plan, clean lines, open layouts, and multifunctional furniture to maximize every square inch. We carefully select materials that fit your budget while enhancing your space's ambience. Light woods, natural textiles, and soft, muted tones create a siren and welcoming atmosphere. Design isn't just about looks, it's about how a space feels. We incorporate soft lighting, greenery, and curated decor to ensure the room mediates with its environment, not against it. Our goal is to blend style with practicality, creating spaces that reflect your personality and make everyday living more enjoyable. CMV Interior Designs, we turn visions into realities, transforming your home into a true reflection of your lifestyle with beauty and purpose in perfect balance.